Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cell Channel. Today we are talking about animal cells. So animal cells are tiny blobs that you can't see. In fact, we are made of cells. Your entire body is made of cells. Today we will learn about them by talking about the different parts of a cell. Okay, let's start. An animal cell has different parts. These parts are called organelles. They are like organs. Organs are the things inside of us, like our heart, our lungs, and our liver. Organelles are the organs for the cell. We will talk about what each organelle does. The first organelle is the membrane. The membrane looks like a watery blob. It's thin and flexible. It controls what goes in and out of the cell like air or nutrients. The next organelle is the Golgi apparatus. It is the packaging and shipping center of the cell. It receives proteins and lipids, which are basically just food, from another organelle called the endoplasmic reticulum. After that, it sends the proteins and lipids to other places in the cell. The next organelle is the lysosome. There are a lot of these in the cell. I like to call them the trash can of the cell because it breaks down food particles and worn-out cell parts to keep the cell healthy. The next organelle is the nucleus. It's the brain of the cell and controls the cell. It also holds the cell's DNA. Okay, the next organelle is really big. It's called the cytoplasm. It's a gel-like material that fills most of the cell. It moves nutrients and proteins and organelles in it. Okay, this new organelle is called the mitochondria. People call it the powerhouse of the cell. It transforms energy into food that can be transformed into energy again, that is used by the cell. The next organelle is the vacuole. There is also a lot of this organelle in the cell. It's a water-filled sac which can store things like water and food, so think of it like a storage box. The next organelle is the ribosome. There are a lot of these in the cell. Their job is really simple. They make protein and give the protein they make to the Golgi apparatus, who sends the protein to the other organelles.